So, how you doing over here?
Digging.
Digging, yeah.
Going
I'm
ham.
gonna go check on Walters and Omir. So, how's ecosystem making going? Hey! This is a family friendly YouTube channel.
Too bad. We'll have to change that.
No, we're not gonna change it
Why not?
because I don't know. Yeah, you're right. I want to cuss the fuck out of everyone.
Molly, you have to do something. I'm watching.
Walters, what are you doing?
I'm watching it, studying it.
Yep, that's the
Should I put the lid on?
Yep, that's the bird, all right.
Guys,
Yeah,
I need y'all to help me.
what's up?
I need big help for big plans. Stand back.
Stand back. That doesn't sound right.
Actually, follow me. Come on.
Oh, okay. Cameraman, here I come.
I didn't find you.
I never said you farted. Oh. You know, we need an actual camera other than just my phone. Oh, fuck. It got stuck on my shoe. Oh, my, what the fuck is this? What the fuck is this shit, bro?
Guys, get your house over here.
Oh, man, we're all doing different jobs. Bruno's looking for food.
Guys, get your chicks over here. I need help.
Obviously, you could do the eco.
All right, emergency meeting.
Guys, we're doing the ecosystem. I need help.
Alright, Bruno, enough with the digging. We're doing eco.
Emergency meeting. Group project.
Look, get this, group it up, and snip it for me, will you? With
Sure.
this-
That's a small ass scissor, man.
Oh, it's not.
Whatever, I'll snip it.
Wait. Twist it. So it can get smaller. Wait, hold it. Cut it. This big? This much?
Stronger, so don't twist it. That's bad.
I know, it gets stronger.
Exactly.
But it gets
why
smaller.
You shouldn't twist it.
Hey, come on. Yes. Push.
Sleek girl power. Alright,
This is
go.
the best ecosystem.
Wait. All right. Oh, I mean, at least see that grass.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Yes, sir.
We'll give you a full cup. Bruno. Bruno, why won't you eat it? Come on. It's gonna be a McChick too. It's gonna be at least 2 McChicken.
Cameraman intermission.
Eat it for a while. Wait, how old is it? Where do you guys want?
It was born today, so it's
Let's